In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCustom to call indicator values inside an EA in MQL5. By the end, you'll comfortably load a custom indicator from your expert advisor and read its values the right way. Start by opening MetaEditor. The quickest way is from MetaTrader 5 using the F4 shortcut. Once MetaEditor is open, create a new expert advisor. Go to File, choose New, select Expert Advisor, Template, and give it a clear name like Custom Indicator EA. Click Finish, and you'll have a clean EA skeleton ready to work with. Before writing or pasting any code, make sure your custom indicator is in the correct place and compiled. Locate your MQL5 folder, open the indicators directory, and confirm your indicator's compiled file is there. For example, myindicator.ex5. If the file isn't compiled yet, open the indicator in MetaEditor and compile it first. The EA can only load indicators that are successfully compiled and available in that folder. Now paste the full EA code you're using. In that code, you should see an iCustom call that creates a handle for the indicator. It typically looks like this. Indicator handle equals iCustom / symbol period / current my indicator. This tells the EA to load my indicator.ex5 from the indicators folder for the current chart symbol and time frame. If your indicator has input parameters, they follow the indicator name in the iCustom call. Use the exact file name as it appears in the indicators folder and include any subfolder path if you placed it in one. Next, compile the EA by clicking the Compile button or pressing F7. Check the Toolbox or Messages panel and make sure there are 0 errors. If you get errors, carefully check the indicator name, path, and any parameter types you pass to iCustom. With a clean compile, switch back to MetaTrader 5 and attach the EA to a chart. Drag it from the navigator onto the symbol you want to trade or analyze. In the Inputs and Common settings, enable Allow Algo Trading, then turn on the Auto Trading button at the top of the platform so the EA can run. Here's what happens under the hood. iCustom gives you a handle to the indicator. To read actual values, your EA uses copy buffer with that handle. Buffer 0 corresponds to the first plotted line in the indicator, buffer 1 to the second, and so on. Copy buffer fills your arrays with the latest values, which you can then use in your logic for signals, filters, or alerts. That's it. You've set up an EA, loaded a custom indicator with iCustom, compiled cleanly, and attached it to a chart ready to read indicator buffers reliably.